How to download data from Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. Once you tap on it, and once you are on your profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and simply navigate to the settings and privacy of your Instagram. Now, tap on the account center at the top. There you can see your information option available. Scroll down and tap on the your information. Once you do so, tap on the download your information and again tap on the download. Now choose between all your information or some of your information. We are tapping on the all information. Then tap on the download again. And after you tap on the download, here you can choose your preferred file format, HTML or JSON. Select the media quality, date range for the data you wish to download and tap on the create files. And Instagram will compile your data and send you the email about your Instagram data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.